Hi, it's Jamie Claret from Amazing Support, and Microsoft have done a new feature. Woo! So basically, Microsoft Outlook on the web. So this is not Outlook that's installed onto your computer, but Microsoft Outlook on the web. And I should point out that Microsoft more and more are going to be pushing stuff to their web applications, because that's definitely the way they want to go. I think ultimately in, I don't know, 5 years' time, we won't be installing applications anymore. It will all be web-based, a bit like kind of Google Mail and stuff like that. So they've got a new little feature on the top hand side of the ribbon called My Day. So it may not show there immediately, but it's going to start showing up over the next few months as they roll it out. And My Day is a way for you to see kind of what you've got coming up in that day without leaving your email. So basically you can be in your email, you're doing what you're doing, you can click My Day and it's just going to show you as a summary kind of what you've got coming up. This is one of many features of Microsoft Outlook 365 and their web applications. So if you haven't had a chance yet to use the web applications, it might be worth having a look and seeing what's there that you don't know about. So it's Jamie Claret from Amazing Support. Have a play around with My Day. Ooh, I think that was a butterfly.